In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can connect a hosting or domain to Base44. First, you want to click on Apps from within Base44, then choose the app or software you want to connect the domain to. And right here, we're just going to go into Dashboard. Once you select Dashboard, you want to select Domains. And you should see this option, Connect Your Domain, in the top right corner. Once we click on it, we can open up Hostinger, and then we will just get the domain which we want to connect right here, and we will paste it. Now we will select Add Domain. From here, we will need to add some DNS records as well. So we're going to go back into Hostinger, click on Manage, then DNS/name servers, and we will scroll down, and this is where we will add the DNS records. The first one is going to be a CNAME record, www, and this is going to be the path. So copy. The type is going to be CNAME. The name is going to be www, and this is going to be the target. Click on Add Record. Once you have this added, read or see if your provider supports ANAME or ALEFS records. You can add them here. If not, you will go and add a record. So a record at, and this is going to be the path. So a record at points to. We can click on Add. And once we have added this, make sure you remove any A or 4 times A records from your domains while configuring DNS, so on and so forth. So here, if you have any 4 times A records, make sure you delete them. Then we will click on Done. And here we can check the status. It should be pending. Check the status. It is going to show you verified, and just like that, you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.